morning, you guys. Hey, what's up, you guys? Alright, so I was gonna film. I wasn't gonna film. I was gonna edit and put up a bloopers reel today. That's on Tuesday. It's not really Tuesday, it's Monday, but you know what I mean. But I realized that I think I might just be the perfectionist in person that I am in my head, and I hardly have a lot of blooper footage. Like, I have a lot from the Sonia Prajakta video that we did. If you want to watch just the bloopers from that, it's not a lot, but it's some. If you want to watch that, let me know. I'll make a video of that and put it up. But I was like, okay, I feel like I'm cheating on them. I can't just put up a video of like 2 minutes and get away with it. Also, my room's a mess. That's the life update for now, because I am leaving for Jabalpur tonight because it's my bhaiya's wedding. Mehendi. I'll give everything I own to a Maharashtrian who says Mehendi the first time. I speak Hindi very well, okay? Half of my family speaks Hindi. Half of my family is from North India. The rest half we are here. But when I'm speaking in Hindi, I say Mehendi. When I'm speaking in Marathi, I'm gonna say Mehendi. Impossible. Anyway, so a lot of you guys, when I was traveling before, to Dubai, Malaysia, you were like, hey Prajakta, do a pack with me sort of video. We wanna see how you pack and stuff. And I didn't do it then, but I'm gonna do it today because I'm going to Jobs. Alright, Jobs is way cooler. Anywho, it's just a 2-day trip. Like, I leave tonight. Our train's at 11:50 p.m. I reach there tomorrow at 2 in the afternoon. Then there's the Sagai, then there's the Sagai as in the Lagan Sagai, then there's the wedding, and then the wedding night, we leave. Yeah, that's a sentence you don't want any bride or groom to listen to. The wedding night, we leave. No, don't do that. Stay on your wedding nights, alright? Stop talking nonsense. They are teenagers. Alright, so let the pack-in begin. Bag, done. Glasses, because you're blind. Done. We make a list. Done! For starters, I kind of like to just assemble everything in like a one-eyed, that's not a word, but like in front of my eyes so I can know what I'm doing. I always keep my closet open because every time I have to pull something out of there, it's way too much effort to open the doors every time, yo. Also, I'm a fan of pouches. I like pouches for everything. So, I think we should begin assembling. If you guys think that you're gonna learn anything from this video, no, because knowing me, I'm like the heaviest traveler in the world of travelers. I don't travel light. I have to carry a lot of stuff with me. This though, we're going to be there only for like 26 hours. We're leaving tonight, reaching there tomorrow, leaving day after tomorrow, coming back on Thursday. It's literally like that. But it's a wedding. I told you, I'm sorry. It's a wedding, so obviously there's a lot of tam jam and stuff. But I'm going to try and crunch it a little bit because this is all the space I have to work with. Yeah, mom's gonna kill me if I carry more bags. Let's go! Alrighty, so this is what we're gonna go for. I'm gonna start with the basics. I told you I like pouches, right? This little pouch here, this has all of my, chaddi hai isme. Then for footwear, I'm gonna carry this as, bathroom slippers, and this as something to wear during the day when, nothing important is happening. So this goes into this. Done! This little pouch. So I'm gonna show you what we have here. Ta-da! Wow, that's a lot of stuff. Lipsticks, because that's the only makeup I own up to. We're gonna carry these lipsticks. Do you want to see the shades? Of course you want to. This is Russian Red by MAC. Pink Chiffon by Kalaba. Matte Taupe, I don't know how to say that, by MAC. And then the last one is Virgin Mojito by VOV. So that's all for the lipsticks. Let's top him up. Done! Next up is mascaras. You guys know this one. This is the same one that burned a huge hole in my pocket. And this one is the one that I used as cement to build that hole because this is the Sephora one. This one's cheaper than this, and being a typical Indian that I am, I don't think I'll wear this every day. Hi Bob. Then we have my sunblock. This is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer that you can obviously read. I am dumb. Then we have this really old palette of eyeshadow. And this is the one that I used to fill in my eyebrows. I've told you this, I've tried so many products, but I like this one, this old cheap one somehow. And this is a brush I use. This, my friend, is a razor because you know what they say about hair. It grows back. Hair tie. Kajal sticks. I'm gonna head out later after I'm done filming this video, and I'm gonna buy some new pins because these are ratchet. And nail cutter, because you know what they say about nails. They grow back. Now we move on to how to bang. Alright, so Baba here is helping me hold the camera because I obviously don't know how to do that for myself. Anyway, now we're gonna start assembling all the clothes down in the bags. I usually assemble it however the hell I want to, but Mama's gonna obsess over how I put it because then it's gonna get crunched and she's gonna wet paste and you don't wanna do that, so you might as well just do it how she wants me to do it. So we're gonna start from when I reach the venue. You don't have to know that. I'm just going to fast forward this, okay? So I have packed some stuff in. I've put a pair of pajamas and a t-shirt, a couple tops, and a sweatshirt. Can I call it that? Because I have been told that it gets really chilly in Jabalpur in the evenings and stuff. Also, I'm sort of obsessed with ironing my clothes. I don't like creases. And oh, by the way, this is a gift that my designer friend Shivanjali gave me. I'm sure you guys have seen it. Oops, sorry Shiva. It's a pair of beautiful earrings, and if you guys haven't checked her stuff out, then I'm gonna link her Instagram in the description below. Friends are genre design, huh? Make sure you check it out. Ha! Shameless plug. Alright, back to packing. Now for the jewelry, mind you, just this is mine. Everything else is Mama's and all the stuff that she's taking for her sister and stuff. But yeah, you'll see the jewelry when I wear it there because I'm going to be Snapchatting, Instagramming a lot of it. So yeah, I'm not a huge fan of like real gold jewelry. The most jewelry I like wearing is like a ring. That's it, nothing more than that. Ooh, I should get one more ring. Excuse me. Baba! He said no. Ooh. Now we pack the carry-on luggage, which you don't have to worry about in the train, but I'm still going to carry a carry-on luggage. Also, I forgot to pack these two things. Number one is my makeup remover. And since I only wear eye and lip makeup, this one's perfect. This is by Maybelline. It's the Express Eye and Lip Makeup Remover. Precise! And this is the Forest Essentials Facial Toning Mist. I really like this. Again, I don't use this a lot. Like, I've had it for a while. I think this came as a gift from YouTube, but it smells amazing. It smells of Mogra, which I absolutely love. If it's very hot outside and I feel like I kind of just spray it over and wipe it. It feels good, okay? I like it. Alright, so a lot of stuff is missing right now because I am going to head out and then I'm going to buy a few things. I've also given my oh yeah, that's right, sari. I'm going to wear a sari at Bhaiya's wedding, which I'm very excited about. It's Mama's sari, so yeah! Everything is so last minute with me. Kids, don't do this when you're packing, alright? Everything, literally, when Mama's gonna watch this video, she's gonna be like, I have to buy myself footwear. Can you believe it? I have a pair of heels that are ethnic and stuff, but they're not very comfortable, and since it's a wedding, it's gonna be a lot more dancing, dhol and all of that, so I don't want to compromise on any of the dancing, so I'm gonna do that. Right now, let's pack this bag. Wallet, case for my chashma, hairbrush, the book that I'm reading, also fuzzy socks because we're going to be taking the train and it gets kinda chilly on the top berth, shawl, stole, something like that, and a cap. Also, I like to carry my face wash in a little travel container, and it doesn't really leak, but I like to keep it in a plastic bag because what if? And of course, ooh, deodorant. One big bag, one small bag, one Prajakta, good to go. Also, I am traveling with Mama and Baba, emphasis on Mama. So all the toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, all of that, necessary things, all of that is going to be with her, so I don't have to worry about that. So it's a very light packing sort of a day. Okay, so I guess we are awkward stairs. Hello, uncle. We are done with a little damage here and there. Little bit, not much, little bit. And now we are heading home. I have to go home. I have to edit this video. I have to schedule it for tomorrow. That is today for you. What is this? Elevator, go home. You don't know what you're doing. I have to schedule Thursday's video. All of that. Finish packing and then leave for jobs. Bye, Seed. Oh, so pretty. Now I'm going to see you Thursday. Okay. Miss me. Yay.
Remember this face.
Yeah, I will. That's always my memory of you.
Bye.
Bye. Hey, okay. Say bye to Bob's car. Let me just show you what aspiration looks like. Look at how this guy has parked his car. This is what aspiration is called. You want a big car, alright, fine. You start acting like you have a big car already. Good job, genius. Hello, baby. Anyway, I am here because I need to take my shades from inside of my baby. Hang on here. I'm sorry. Is this vlog too boring? Yes, Prajakta, it is. Duh. ये रहे कहाँ गए भाई? There you go. Say bye to her. We're not gonna see her till Thursday. Bye. Okay. Let's go. Winter is not here. Anyway, I'm sure you guys want to see what I got. I went there to only spend a little bit because Rashank had this card which had some money in and it was expiring tomorrow. So he was like, just buy something, just spend the money. I was like, okay, cool. But then I got a little distracted and then anyway, I'll show you what I got. Number one, let me just set you down somewhere for now. Okay, so number one is, I didn't shop a lot, okay? So it's not going to be a long haul. It's going to finish before it starts. So I just got a plain t-shirt. This is one. Then I got another t-shirt that says, I don't care. I love it. A few days ago, I wanted to buy like track pants. And I saw these in Forever 21. I really like them. They're very comfy. And since Jabal was going to be slightly chillier. Oh, sorry. Chillier in the nights. And also I wanted something that I could travel in. So this. And guess what? Today I found the matching sweatshirt. So now I have a matching tracksuit. Whoop, whoop, whoop. That's all the shopping I did. I also, yeah. I know what you're saying. I also got chappals. But now they're outside. Never mind. They're just like snazzy, jazzy chappals. And I also got bobby pins. I think I got everything I needed to get. Wow, good job, Prajakta. I have done everything. I'm going to end this vlog here though. Because there's nothing else I'm going to do. Seriously, I'm just going to edit you. I'm going to upload you. I'm going to send all the necessary work stuff that needs to get done and sent to Saurav. And that's it. Like everything's done. Wow. I leave at 11 and it's almost 4. Let's say it's 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I am ready 7 hours before departure. That's the first. But because usually, if I have to leave in 20 minutes, that's when I'm like getting last minute stuff done. So that's about it. Oh, buying new stuff makes me so happy. I think I have I swear to God, sometimes I think I have a problem. It's my new high. Enough creepiness. I'm going to sign out now, alright? So I'll see you guys again on Thursday. Until we meet, love.